హలో ఆస్పిరెంట్స్. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మనం యూజీసీ నెట్ 2026 నోటిఫికేషన్ గురించి అయితే చూద్దాము. సో ఇందులో ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేట్స్ పరంగా చూసుకుంటే కనుక సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేట్స్ మెన్షన్ హియర్. సో దిస్ యూజీసీ నెట్ ఈస్ కండక్టింగ్ బై ద ఎన్టీఏ నేషనల్ టెస్టింగ్ ఏజెన్సీ. సో హియర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ డేట్స్, just a minute. Yes. So first, online registration and submission of application form through NTA website, that is starting from the 29 April to, and the ending date is 20 May 2026. So nearly 22 days are there. So today is already 30. So that is application starting from, you can fill online registrations, that is submission of online registrations from the 29 April. Last date for successful transaction of examination fee through credit card or debit card or net banking or UPI payment, 20th May 2026 up to 11:50 p.m. Fee payable for UGC NET June 2026. Pay fee using the payment gateway integrated the online application through the net banking, debit or credit card or UPI. Okay, and the general or unreserved category, the fees is 1150, and the general EWS or OBC NCL RS 600 rupees. SC category, ST category, persons with disability, persons with benchmark disability, RS 325 rupees. Okay, and further correction in the particulars of application from online only 22 May 2026 to 24 May 2026. So nearly that is 3 days. And intimation of cities of the exam centers 10th June 2026. Downloading admit card by the candidate from NTA website by 15 June 2026. Dates of examination 22 June 2026 to 30 June 2026. Duration of examination 180 minutes 3 hours. No break between the paper 1 as well as paper 2. Timing of examination to be intimated later. Exam center date as well as shift also indicated on the admit card. Okay, so further important information. So display of recorded response and provisional answer keys on the website for inviting challenges from the interested candidates to be announced later on the website. Declaration of result from the nothing but on the NTA website to be intimated, that is also later. And these are the website, you can see this like https www.nta.account.in. So this is the important information regarding this latest UGC net notification from the NTA National Testing Agency.